Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of Spider-Man, and this time it's gonna be Far From Home. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this is gonna be the trickiest part always with the Spider-Man drawing, is drawing his eye socket area. So we're gonna start out with two little dots. So it's gonna be the corner of the eye socket, well, the eye mask area, and then from here, go up, just kind of give a slight curve all the way up, and then on the corners just kind of come back down with a little bracket like this. So right around here, just stop, and then from those 2 points just draw one curve connecting that. Just go around. Very tricky shape. Alright, and then once you have that shape, then the other part's a lot easier. So we're going to draw another line inside, exactly the same. Exactly the same. Okay, so just start here. Corner, just go up. Come down. Alright, so that part's a little bit easier. Now we're just gonna draw the rest of the head, so we're gonna come to the side here. Just a little bracket right around the eye area. And then let's just go up and finish up the top then. Then from these 2 points, just gonna draw one curve, slightly flatter on top. And then for the chin area and the jaw, just kind of slant it in. It's a little bit straighter, and then close off for the chin. So that's gonna be the hardest part, and now everything else is a little bit easier. So let's draw in the body for his neck. Just 2 lines coming down, and then we'll slant out for the shoulder, nice and wide. And then we'll leave a little bit of space coming down here. So just imagine a line coming down. You can make a little mark. It's gonna be his armpit. And then from this line here, I'm gonna go all the way down to his waist. And then on the bottom here, just close it off with a little angle coming down toward the center. All right. So now let's draw in his arms, and then we'll add in all the little details. So we'll come back up here. Here's the armpit. Shoulder, round it down. And then for the bicep, go back to the armpit. Just a little bracket like this. Here's his elbow. And then lower arm, flare it out. This one, slight curve all the way down here, past this point. On the back here, just go straight down. And then this is going to be one continuous piece, so we're going to keep going down and drawing his arm, or his hand, I mean. So a little hook for his thumb. Here's the back of the fist, just come down, slight curve, and then close everything off. Alright, so let's draw in the other arm, and then we'll add in the details. So right here, here's his armpit. Shoulder, curving down, back to the armpit, bracket. You can use the other side for reference. Slant out, and then this one's gonna curve down. Again, use the other side. Come back down, this is straight. And then for his fist again, little hook, back of the fist, round it, close it. Alright, so now let's add the details to his suit right here. So we're gonna come in from the armpit area, just come in. Okay, you can make 2 little dots, and this one's just gonna slant down, same as this slant here. So we're just following that line, and then come down, and then follow this slant, just go back up. So this is going to be the belt area. Alright, and then come down, continue the slant in the middle. Just draw 2 little lines like this, and then same thing here. So this one's just going out. Alright, and then on the top here, let's go back up right here on the armpit. This is going to be the chest area. I'm just going to draw a slight curve going right in the middle here. Okay, so this is going to curve slightly. And then from this point here, just go out to right around here. So this part's going to be red. Okay, and then for his arm section here, I'm going to come over here to this corner. Just give it a nice little slant going up. And then go to this point here. Same slant coming back in, but leave a little bit of space. And then we're going to follow this curve all the way down to his wrist and then just go out. And then for his hand right here, I'm just going to draw one line across. Okay, so same thing here. From this corner, just slant up toward the elbow. And then come from this point, come down, leave a little bit of space. Follow this curve. And go out for the wrist. And then same thing down here, just one line across. Alright, and we'll draw in the spider later. Let's move on to the rest of the body. I don't want to get caught up in too much details for now. Alright, so for his leg, it's very easy to draw. Right in the middle, come down. Let's draw one little curve. Back to the hip area right here. Slant out. Come in. This is going to be his thigh. Come back to the middle to this point. Come down. That's his thigh. And then for his knee, just a slight little bracket. Just kind of taper in. And then we'll stop there and let's work on the other side. So same thing here, go out, turn in, down and turn. That's his thigh, and then for his knee, same thing, just a little taper in. And then the lower leg is very easy from here, just flare out, slight turn, and then this one is almost straight down. Close it off, and then we'll draw a dome shape here. Come down, go out a little bit more, and close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Slant out, curve, close it. Dome shape coming down, go out a little bit more on this side. Alright, and then for the detail on the suit, just right on the corner here, just draw one little line across. And then we'll draw 2 lines going out to the corners. Cross, and then just go up. Alright, and then we'll add in the webbings later. So now let's come back up here and finish up the little spider right here. So right in the chest area right here, I'm just going to draw like a little box with the bottom open. And then for the bottom, just give it a little bit of a V shape here. And then on the top here, I'm just going to draw a little box. Okay, and then for the legs, it's very easy. Just come here. Just draw in 2 lines going out like this first. And then come down. This one's gonna go up. So that's 4. And 4 more. So we're gonna draw the one inside. So this one's a little bit smaller. Just gonna draw 2 lines going out. It's very small. Might not be able to see it here. Just come out a little bit and just come down. Alright, so for the webbings, I'm gonna be using a smaller Sharpie so I don't mess up this drawing. Okay, so the line's gonna be a little bit thinner. So start right here, draw like a little curve, kind of like a circle, but behind the face mask area. Okay, and then from on the middle here, just go up. So that's 1. And then from the side here, I'm just gonna draw 2 more. 1, 2. And then right here, we're not gonna draw the one in the middle, but we're gonna come out to the side here. So at an angle. And then we'll draw 1 here going out. So everything is coming to the center here. All right, and then from those lines, then let's start down here, come across, and then now we're just kind of connecting, just kind of going around. Okay, so go around. So right here, come up here, slant. So this is kind of like circular. And every little space here, you can actually just go ahead and connect those. And if you want to, you can add in 1 more right here, just to fill in the little space. All right, so now let's go down to the body. So for the body, I'm gonna draw 1 line straight down through the center, all the way down here. Come back up here to the neck area, connect to this point here, this little corner. Okay, so everything is going this way. And then let's see, somewhere around here, just draw it, connect to this point. We're just kind of connecting dots almost. All right. And then now let's come back down here. Just extend this line. This is going to connect to the center. Again, same thing here. And then 1 more to center to this. And let's keep going up. Okay, so just try to space it evenly if you can. I know it's a little bit tricky, but as long as you have some of these webbing, it should be fine. Okay, so same thing here. Curve. We just keep going. This one's gonna connect out. Connect, connect. And then let's draw 1 more here. Let's go out. Okay, so that's it for the top, and the leg part is easy. So right in the center, just gonna draw 1 line all the way down. And then for the cross section, I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines straight across. And that is it for this Far From Home Spider-Man. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, check out my other Spider-Man drawings, and I will see you next time.